In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Game's slow download speed. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a number of reasons why your Steam downloads might be downloading really slow, so what I'm going to do is go through a couple of things you can try to fix this and hopefully increase your download speed. The first thing you're going to want to try from Steam once you're logged in and you've got the app opened is coming up to the top left hand corner, clicking on Steam, and then coming down and clicking on Settings. Once you have your settings opened, come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Downloads. There's a couple of things you're going to want to change in here. So first of all, you want to check the download region and you want to make sure this is set to one that is close to where you are. Mine's currently set to Manchester in the UK, but of course that's going to be different for you depending on where your location is. Also, you want to make sure this next switch is turned off, the one that says limit download speed. Make sure this is turned off. And if you come down to this option here, which says throttle downloads while streaming, if you go ahead and turn this off, as you can see it says if this is enabled, Steam will limit download speed to maintain a high quality Steam remote play experience. So you could also try turning this option off here. And another thing you can do if you scroll down a bit more is try clearing the download cache, which as you can see could potentially resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So once you've done that, what you can do is close down your settings and see if that fixes the download speed, see if your games and apps are starting to download faster. Another thing you can do, if I come back to my desktop, is if you come down to your search box at the bottom in your taskbar, and what you want to do is type resource monitor. Underneath this match, go ahead and open up your resource monitor, and what it's going to do is open up a window like this. From here, come up to the top, you're going to see these different tabs, and what you want to do is click onto network, and you can see all the apps and things like that that are currently using your internet. So the ones that are using the most internet are going to be at the top, and what you can do is try closing some of these down to, of course, allocate more of your internet to your Steam downloads. So for example, Chrome, what you would do if you're not currently using Google Chrome, right click onto it and click onto end process. Also, if you've got any apps running that are currently using your network, so for example like Spotify or something like that, and you see them in this list, try closing them down and that should hopefully increase your download speed. Now, another reason that your download speed could be really slow, it could actually be due to the Steam servers. Maybe there's some maintenance work going on, or maybe the servers are just down at the time. So to check this, if you actually open up an internet browser and come across to this website, which is called steamstats.us, this is not official from Steam, but it does give you an idea if there's any problems with any servers or anything which could potentially be causing problems with your download speeds. Of course, if there's any maintenance work or the servers are down, that's going to have an impact, but you just want to keep an eye on this website and check and make sure it's in the green saying okay, and then hopefully once, if there are problems with the servers and they're back up and running, your download speed should increase. So that is a couple of things you can try to fix if your Steam games are having a slow download speed. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.